In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can update your profile picture on your Windows. So let's get started. So currently, this is the profile of my Windows. So as you can see, now how can we change this into something new? Click on the Start button and click on the Settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply locate Accounts. And here you'll find account settings, and under it you can find your info. Click on that. And here you have two options. You can take a photo. You just need to click on the open camera and you just have to take a photo with your camera. Or you can choose a file. So click on browse files. Okay, and I have this one from here, so you can simply locate as to where you have saved it in the destination files right here. And you just have to click on your photo and click on choose picture. And as you can see, this is updating your profile photo. And that's it. You have just changed your profile photo of your Windows. And if you want to sign in again into your Windows, you will see that this will be the new profile photo for your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.